Ever feel tired and wish for a simple way to boost your energy and manage your weight? Intermittent fasting might be the answer. It's not about what you eat, but when you eat. By giving your body regular breaks from food, you unlock powerful health benefits, feeling lighter, sharper, and more vibrant. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. You still eat healthy foods just within a set window each day, like noon to 8 p.m., then fasting for 16 hours. This isn't about restriction, but about timing. When you fast, your body gets a chance to repair cells and burn stored fat for energy. Many people report more energy and focus with this simple shift. The beauty is its flexibility. There's no single right way, so you can find a schedule that fits your life. Whether you're busy or just want a sustainable health practice, there's a fasting method for you. The core idea: give your body a consistent break from eating. It's about working with your body's natural rhythms. When you stop eating for a while, your body shifts gears. First, it uses up the energy from your last meal, mainly glucose. After about 12 hours, your body runs low on sugar and starts burning stored fat for fuel. This switch to fat burning is why intermittent fasting helps with weight loss. But there's more. Fasting triggers autophagy, your body's internal recycling system. Damaged cells and waste are cleared out, keeping your body healthier and younger. Hormones also shift. Growth hormone rises, helping burn fat and preserve muscle. Insulin drops, making it easier to access stored fat. These changes promote healing, repair, and efficient energy use. It's a natural process that starts with simply changing when you eat. Your body becomes a more efficient fat burner and cleaner, all from giving your digestive system a regular break. That's the real magic behind intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting isn't one size fits all. There are several popular methods. The most common is the 16-8 method: fast for 16 hours, eat within an 8-hour window. For many, that means skipping breakfast and eating from noon to 8 p.m. The 5-2 diet is another option. Eat normally 5 days a week, then limit calories to 500-600 on 2 non-consecutive days. For a more intense approach, there's OMAD, 1 meal a day, where you eat 1 large meal in a 1-hour window. Alternate day fasting is another method: fast every other day, with some choosing to eat very little or nothing on fasting days. Each method has its own challenges and benefits. The key is to pick a style that fits your lifestyle and feels sustainable. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. The goal is to enhance your life, not add stress. Find your rhythm and make it work for you. Most people start intermittent fasting for weight loss, but the benefits go far beyond the scale. Many report sharper focus and mental clarity. Your brain loves the steady fuel from ketones produced during fasting. Energy levels often rise thanks to more stable blood sugar and better fat burning. Fasting can also improve heart health by lowering bad cholesterol, reducing triglycerides, and calming inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to many diseases, so this is a big win. The cellular cleanup process, autophagy, supports healthy aging and may even promote longevity. Scientists are excited about fasting's potential to help us live longer, healthier lives. It's a simple tool for taking control of your health. You're not just losing weight, you're investing in your future well-being. Intermittent fasting is a powerful way to reset your body and mind. Before starting intermittent fasting, check with your doctor, especially if you have medical conditions, are underweight, or are pregnant or breastfeeding. Start slow. Try a 12-hour fast, like finishing dinner by 7 p.m. and eating breakfast at 7 a.m. Gradually extend your fasting window as your body adapts. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of water, black coffee, or herbal tea during your fast. Sometimes thirst feels like hunger, so keep a water bottle handy. When you do eat, focus on balanced, nourishing meals with protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Listen to your body. If you feel unwell, shorten your fast or take a break. Fasting is a tool for better health, not a test of willpower. Be patient and kind to yourself as you adjust. The goal is to feel better, not to push yourself too hard. Enjoy the journey to a healthier, more energetic you.